What's up everybody, welcome back to the channel. I hope you're all doing well. It's a sort of dry morning. It's Thursday, it's a bank holiday, so this is the last day of the week for me, which is quite nice. I've just had some really heavy Russian techno come on my phone. Just what you want. It's not what you want in your ears before 7 AM in the morning. Money, 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 money. My helmet's squashing my face a little. Yeah, helmet's squashing my face a little bit today, I'm not sure why. Frantically trying to think of what I've forgotten, but I think I've got everything. So I've just bought the, I'd like to call it the Snell, but I'm not sure if it is. I'll write up what it is. I think it's a Snell E2 intercom headset for me and my partner, and I've also got a friend who's got the left side ride on YouTube basically, and we got the same one, so now we can chat. Look at all the fuel on the road, it's terrible. It's a bit windy today, nothing too bad. Is that rain? I bet it'll be rain. I'm not even very happy if it is. Weather report said 0% chance, so I'm not happy if it rains. Look at the amount of fuel on these corners. It's fucking awful. I'm gonna avoid it like fuck. Yeah, I hope you're all doing well. It's been a minute. Still cruising on the africatwin. We're at 10,200 miles now. Actually had a really long day on it. Did nearly 300 miles. I'll say 270 something. I think it was 275 in a day, like within 12 hours basically, which is really good. Did lots of riding. Went up and visited a friend, tried to go for a ride. That's left side ride on YouTube again, same person. Yeah, went up to visit them. Bike was actually not working because it's not been out for a little while. Tried to bump start it. Turns out the battery was completely dead, like broken dead. So it's got to get a new one of those, I think, for the new season, which isn't too bad. Oh, the heated grips are in now, nice and warm. Got the Oxfords, they're not standard, but they're bloody nice. MT09. My helmet's hurting my face today, and I'm not enjoying it. Pretty sounding bike, I'm really enjoying this. When you let off, the rumble's so good, like that. Engine braking noise is so good. Someone called these, I was watching some YouTube videos on people on this bike, and they call the Bridgestones that I'm on at the moment death rings. And I'm a bit curious as to what everyone thinks. I don't know what Bridgestones they are, but apparently they're stock the stock tyres from the from when it was bought, maybe, but I'm guessing they've been replaced since. But looking forward to the day of getting some slightly knobblier ones, just to sort of enhance that off-road look. I've purchased some engine guards as well. They should be arriving today, I think. Coming from Germany, I think they are. Oh, hello. Okay. Heated grips are a game changer. If you ride a lot in the winter or in the mornings, like early, like me, heated grips are the one, man. What have we got going on here? Nice day, the roads are wet, but oh well. Moisture. This corner always spoons me out a little bit because it's kind of deep. God, I got some really bad song on in my ears. It's not what you want. Right then, thanks for watching everybody. Hope you all have a good weekend, and I will catch you guys on the flip side. Ride safe, peace out. Oh, petrol. Fucking down here as well.